The Dhaka Metro Rail is a significant infrastructure project aimed at improving the public transportation system in Dhaka. Bangladesh. Here are key details about the Dhaka Metro Rail overview. The Dhaka Metro Rail, officially known as the Mass Rapid Transit MRT system, is designed to alleviate traffic congestion and provide a modern, efficient public transportation solution for the city's residents. Lines and roads. The Metro Rail projects consist of several lines. The most advanced and well known is Line 6, which is the first to be constructed and operationalized. Line 6 runs from Uttara in the north to Motijil in the south, covering a distance of about 20 kilometers with 16 stations along the road. Construction and implementation. The construction of Line 6 began in 2016 with the aim of completing in passes. The project is managed by the Dhaka Mass Transit Company Limited DMTCL. It is being built with financial and technical assistance from the Japan International Cooperation Agency JICA. Features. The Metro Rail system is designed to be state of the art with air conditioned trains, automated ticketing systems, and modern safety and security features. The trains are capable of carrying a large number of passengers, significantly reducing travel time across the city. Operational status. The first section of Line 6 from Uttara to Agargaon. Overall, the Dhaka Metro Rail project is transformative.